In our previous lecture, we explored the intricate process of how laws are created and amended through the legislative process. Today, we'll shift our attention to the key players who work within the legal system to interpret, apply, and uphold the law. Lawyers, judges, and paralegals. Lawyers, also known as attorneys or solicitors, are professionals who have completed law school and passed the bar exam, qualifying them to practice law. They are experts in legal matters and provide a wide range of services to clients, including legal advice. Lawyers counsel clients on legal issues, explaining their rights, obligations, and options for resolving disputes. Representation. Lawyers represent clients in court, advocating on their behalf and presenting legal arguments and evidence. Drafting documents. Lawyers prepare legal documents such as contracts, wills, and pleadings, ensuring they comply with relevant laws and protect their clients' interests. Negotiation and mediation. Lawyers negotiate with opposing parties to reach settlements and may also facilitate mediation to help clients resolve disputes amicably. Research and analysis. Lawyers conduct legal research to identify relevant laws, regulations, and court decisions and analyze how they apply to their clients' cases. Judges are public officials who preside over court proceedings. They are responsible for ensuring that trials are conducted fairly and impartially, interpreting the law, ruling on legal motions, and in some cases determining the guilt or innocence of defendants or the liability of parties in civil cases. Key responsibilities of judges. Impartiality. Judges must be impartial and unbiased, applying the law objectively without favoritism or prejudice. Interpretation of the law. Judges interpret statutes, regulations, and case law to determine how they apply to the specific facts of each case. Ruling on motions. Judges decide on legal motions filed by parties such as motions to dismiss or motions for summary judgment. Jury instructions. In jury trials, judges provide instructions to the jury on the relevant legal principles and how to apply them to the evidence. Sentencing. In criminal cases, judges determine the appropriate sentence for convicted defendants based on the law and the specific circumstances of the case. Paralegals. Paralegals are legal professionals who work under the supervision of lawyers. They perform a variety of tasks to support lawyers in their work, such as legal research. Paralegals research laws, regulations, and court decisions to help lawyers build their cases. Drafting documents. Paralegals assist in preparing legal documents such as pleadings, motions, and correspondence. Case management. Paralegals organize and maintain case files, track deadlines, and communicate with clients and opposing parties. Trial preparation. Paralegals assist lawyers in preparing for trials, gathering evidence, interviewing witnesses, and organizing exhibits. Client interviews. Paralegals may conduct initial client interviews to gather information and assess the merits of potential cases. Lawyers, judges, and paralegals are all vital members of the legal team. They work together to ensure that the law is interpreted, applied, and upheld in a fair and just manner. Understanding the roles of these legal professionals can help you navigate the legal system and make informed decisions about seeking legal assistance.